So I'm going to talk about the five principles of Tata Group. So first of them is integrity. So what they believe is to be honest, transparent towards their clients, toward the public, whatever the things they are doing in their businesses. Similarly, in our life, in our retail. So what I feel is integrity. Something is not only about some wrongdoing into in terms of financial thing, but something if we are not working. Faithfully towards the company, that's also integrity. You're not working for 8 or 9 hours, whatever is the shift hours. You're not working and leaving early the store daily, that's also integrity. You're standing in the store and not attending the customers the way you're supposed to do, that's also come under integrity. So it's basically it's just a honesty towards the company, the way you're supposed to do work, the way it has to be done, and you're not doing it the right way. So this will come under integrity only. Second is responsibility. So, as a value of Tata Group, they have been responsible enough towards the environment, social principles in their businesses. So, in a similar way, we should be responsible towards the stakeholders. All the resources we are using, we should be using them with the responsibility. Uh, for example, I mean, if some things has been assigned to us, or there's some power, I mean, we should be using it with some sense of responsibility. I mean, for example, I mean, we have assigned some budget for the dinner, then we should always think about that there's a certain amount, there's a trust, and there's something has been thought to, by a company. So we should use it in a proper way. It should not be like that the company belongs to the company and we should spend it like anything. So that's all come under the responsibility. Next is excellence. So we all should be excellent toward the work we are doing in our store. I mean, excellence, it should not be in terms of sales, but it can be towards the customer service, towards the work we are doing in our daily life. It might be a small thing, I mean, maybe just doing a VM of the store, or doing something related to store, not related to in your life also, but you have to be excellence toward everything. Second is fourth is pioneering. So pioneering, what I believe is in terms we should explore to new areas, new different ideas. We should be thoughtful enough towards increasing the business of our store. Something it's more about taking initiatives, and the last one is unity. Uh, but I believe in our in as compared to as related to our retail sector is unity is something we should always invest in our people. The way our company and our seniors have been invested in us by giving the training. Similar way, I mean, we should be giving trainings to our juniors, taking their career path along with ours also, and I mean, there should be the bond should always there will be there. Apart from being working in the store, we should always be more empathize towards our colleagues.